This exhibition at Elisava, Barcelona School of Design and Engineering, displays the results in form of recipes of how we consider some specific actions, procedures, or techniques with which we can improve the health and the well-being both of ourselves and the planet. This is the result of a workshop in which 188 students from 3 universities and 4 campuses, RMIT Australia, RMIT Vietnam, LCC London and Elisava Barcelona, were involved for 2 weeks with a bunch of 12 faculty members suggesting these actions for planetary well-being.
At RMIT Europe, we are very proud of this collaboration between Elisava, LCC London and our colleagues at RMIT Australia and Vietnam, as it is a great example of the types of collaborations and global experiences that we look to offer our students at RMIT, and it's also a fantastic initiative looking to create a more sustainable future.
So I think it's great to be part of the Barcelona Design Week and having this exhibition at Elisava, La Rambla, and we invite you to come visit and mostly collaborate with us in this common action, collective action for planetary well-being.